In, on, at. Knowing exactly how to use these prepositions will definitely help you improve your English. Now, it's a huge topic to cover, especially in 60 seconds, so please excuse me if I run over today, but let's try and get into the basics. On. We only use this for talking about a particular day. I will go home on Sunday. I went to Taipei on my birthday. We usually eat turkey on Christmas Day. In, a little more complicated, but used when talking about a season, a month, a year, or part of a day. Our family takes a vacation in the summer. My son starts college in September. I was born in 1982. We eat supper in the evening and breakfast in the morning. At, usually used when talking about a specific location or a time, but also can be used for certain festivals. I will see you at the airport. Don't forget to start your journey at 5 o'clock. What do you usually do at Chinese New Year? I hope that helps. As I said, it's a huge topic, but I just hope to cover some of the basics today. How about you write some example sentences in the comments below? Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and I'll see you tomorrow.